The next chapter is the coal. When it is burnt, it has various kind of poisonous gases are emitted when you burn a coal. And especially we have studied in the earlier chapters that since you have to go down the tunnel to actually excavate coal or extract coal, the air is not there much. So previously it was really difficult for the miners to actually excavate coal from deep down. So, but now today there have been new modernization in this technique of extraction of coal. So why? So they now there are computerized systems that has been set up in the coal mines, which actually detect the amount of oxygen that is present in the tunnel. As you know that oxygen is required for us for our breathing. So without oxygen we cannot live. So uh, similarly, so when there are monitors, computer monitors which detect that if there is a fall in the oxygen supply, there are certain alarms that rings. And in the meantime, the people who are in charge of those system immediately pass on some oxygen in the air so that the miners or the other workers in the coal mines can breathe and does not suffer choking. Fine. And as I said, when you actually burn coal, there are a lot of it. First of all, it causes pollution. Second of all, it also the inhaling of such gases might create trouble for our own health. Why? First of all, it gives out nitrogen oxide, then sulfur, and the most poisonous gas is carbon monoxide. So these gases, when they are burnt, when they are released, first of all, it will burn your eyes, and constant exposure or if you inhale these gases in a long term, it might create some lung problem in future. You might suffer from. So these are the problems that occurs when you are actually burning coal. There are protective measures that has been undertaken by the miners nowadays, but there is always a risk factor which is associated in this kind of mining extractions. Oxide is a gas which actually is emitted when you drive cars too much, when you drive when in the factories there are certain machines are running and you see black smoke coming out from the mines, coal mines. So these the gas which is emitted, or the smoke that is emitted, contains quite high amount of carbon monoxide, which actually pollutes the air around us. And the air around us is from where we breathe in. So we are breathing poisonous gases, and hence there are a lot of breathing troubles that comes in. You have sometimes have some people are down with asthma, some have respiratory troubles, some have some lung problem. So these are the outcomes of breathing such poisonous gas which are emitted by the vehicles all around, factories, industries, and from even from our homes also. So that all adds up to a big pollution, and which we and that gets, since it is air, it again smoke, it get mixed with the atmosphere. So we are always in a state of or we are always breathing some poisonous gases. But nowadays you'll feel that due to this COVID-19, there are a lot of buses, trams are not in motion, right? So what happens? The air around us is much fresh. You'll feel, and hence now what we are breathing right now here in our right now is something very purified air. Now, whenever you go out, especially in the cities, it doesn't usually happen in the outskirts of cities, the rural areas, because in cities you have a lot of cars that is constantly moving. So there, whenever whenever there's a bulk of smoke that is released from the buses or from even from the taxis, the smoke, it just bangs you, and that will actually burn your eyes. You cannot open it, you have to splash some water, otherwise your eyes becomes red. Why it is because that gas which is being emitted, or that the smoke that comes out from the buses, trams, from the taxis, any vehicle, or even from the factories, for example, that gas contains carbon monoxide, nitrogen, even a part of sulfur, which is harmful for the eyes. So when it gets touched, when you're actually you're seeing the guy and it just goes passes your eyes, it cannot take it. So it immediately does. When you're cutting onion, right, what happens? There's a kind of smell, or that actually your eyes starts irritating, your eyes waters. Similarly, like this is gases are your eye cannot, when it comes in contact with such poisonous gases, it starts itching, or even water comes out, or redness forms.